Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We recently moved back to the Philippines after living and working in Dubai for years, and we're starting a new and exciting chapter, building our dream home here in Davao City. Myself and Mal both spent many years in Dubai, and moving back was a huge decision. But we knew we wanted to build a home and settle down here in Davao City. Today we're sharing our first ever house update. We started the build in August 2024, and now the structure is almost done. Let's show you around. This will be the main gate going to the garage. We can't wait to park our T2 there. The car park can fit 2 cars. This is what it looked like once done. That's the walkway to go to the front door. But obviously there's scaffolding, so we go this way. So that's the front door. This is going to be our receiving area and living room. That's where the TV is gonna be. Sofas. My husband. And then we have a little stairway there to go to the powder room for the guests. Right in front of the powder room is our pantry room or storage facility. This is going to be where we're going to store all our groceries and stuff. And then this is our kitchen area. And this is going to be our dining area. So in the kitchen, we can have an island counter. So it is quite spacious, which I love. And then finally, our master bedroom. This is where the bedroom is going to be, and the TV. And then when you walk here, this is our walk-in closet. We have a big window. I will have a vanity table here, and it's just going to be a wardrobe. And then in here, it's the ensuite bathroom, master bathroom. You can have a walk-in shower, a vanity, double vanity, and yeah.
You can see the ceilings going in now.
Yeah.
All the cutouts there now ready for the cabling, the electrical. All the plumbing's done.
And don't forget our huge window here in the master bedroom. Shall we go upstairs?
Yep. This isn't the proper staircase, obviously. Plywood steps.
As you can see, there's that big glass window there. And where Malcolm is standing is going to be our office area. We're going to have a cabinetry there, shelving for Malcolm's gadgets and stuff, and then a huge window again. So while we're working, we have that beautiful view of the mountain. And then we can have sofas, like a family seating area. And then over there we're going to put a TV. This is the bedroom 2.
This isn't the bed.
That's not the bed. But yeah, so we're gonna have a double bed here, a TV, 2 bedside tables, wardrobe there, all right. So on the upper floor we have a shared bathroom. It's a door to the bathroom. It is quite spacious. We originally have just a walk-in shower there, a vanity basin, but this room is really spacious, so we've asked our architect to change the layout to having a bathtub here, which fits perfectly. It's a quite high ceiling as well. So let's go to the bedroom 1. This way. So it's just right opposite the bedroom 2. This one, the difference between the bedroom 1 and bedroom 2, this one has a walk-in wardrobe. It's almost the same size as the bedroom 1, but it has an extra room for the wardrobe. And what I love about this room is when you get up in the morning, you can see the mountain right there. And then that's our balcony here. So let's have a look at the balcony from the other side. There's the balcony. Stand on the outside, Alan.
So there'll be glass doors here out onto the balcony. There'll be a glass handrail there, handrails around the side and the back. Overlooking our neighbours. At the moment we've got 4 houses on this side, but this is probably the best view of the mountains we've had now for quite some time. Most mornings the clouds roll in and obscure the mountains. Just quite a nice clear day today. It's just a shame we've got this telegraph pole in front of the house, but that happens with a lot of houses here. There's not a lot you can do about it. And obviously the cables, but you know, after a while I don't think we'll notice them. The windows obviously are not going to be this big. There's going to be partitions in the windows so we can open and close certain areas. We'll have the fly screens on there as well.
Fly screens or mosquito screens, because as you know, Philippines is very prone to having loads of mosquitoes. But yeah, this is going to be a good spot for us to chill. There's
a nice morning breeze this morning as well. Temperature's 29 degrees, but yeah, it's a nice morning this morning.
What I also love about the design of the house is the high ceiling. It just makes the house look more spacious, you know. That's the view of the living room and pantry when standing by the landing area of the staircase.
And then we'll walk out onto the patio, balcony, well not balcony, but patio area. We finished concreting this area now, so it extends to the side of the house.
But we are going to have some wooden paneling as well here, or wooden look paneling.
So just above here, there'll be a cantilever roof coming out to give us a bit of shaded area.
We obviously have this space here where we're gonna put planters and plants and whatever.
Get the place landscaped. Nice bit of landscaping in there. It's not very big garden wise, we would have liked more, but it is what it is.
Yeah.
And we'll make the most of it. There's plenty of ideas we've got about growing stuff for the future.
We are going to have our dirty kitchen. I'm going to go the other side to show you the space on that side. So, front door. This side will have a partition, so you can't just enter straight away. But this area here is going to be where our laundry area and the dirty kitchen, where we can cook dried fish, as I love dried fish, but it stinks, so we don't want to stink the house with it. Let's have a 360 view of the ground floor.